In this video, we will walk through the process of taking the first scan with your Benchtop system. Always start by turning on your light source and letting it warm up for at least 10 minutes. Ensure all cables are connected and launch the Spectronon software. You can confirm the camera and the stage were detected if you see the Stage and Imager tabs appear in the bottom right panel. Click the Live View button labeled F. First, we will adjust the light to ensure it is centered on the imager's field of view. Loosen the top red lever and rotate the light head about the bottom screw. I'm using the crosshair tool to see the intensity plotted in the Spectra tab at the top right. The goal here is to maximize the value we see in live view. That means the light and the camera field of view are aligned. Once we have found the brightest location for the light, lock it down and click the Auto Expose button labeled with an E. Click OK. To focus the system, you can use any target with sharp-edged features. Here, I'm using a printed version of the Quick Start Guide. Place the target at the height you wish to focus the system. I can see the cross-section of the vertical axis using the crosshair tool and the Y-plot in the upper right panel. Our goal here is to get the edges as sharp as possible. Loosen the collar on the objective. Rotate the objective, being careful not to rotate the collar securing the objective to the imager. As you rotate the objective, the image will come in and out of focus. Once the system is focused, tighten the collar. Rerun the auto expose on the reference target. To set the stage speed, we need to know what the size of our field of view is. The Quick Start Guide contains a ruler with lines placed 1 centimeter apart. We can use this to get a rough idea of what our FOV is by counting the lines. Open the Stage tab and put this value in the swath field. You must click out of Live View to do this. We are now ready to calibrate the system. Remove the focus target and click the R button. Make sure the white reference is being fully illuminated. Click OK. The captured response correction will now show up in the data cube panel in the upper left. Click the D button. Place the lens cap back on the objective and click OK. Remove the lens cap, and you are now ready to take scans. Place your object to be scanned at the same height that you focused and exposed the system. Then, click the play button. Once the scan is complete, the stage returns to its starting position. Clicking around the image with the crosshair tool, we can see the spectra for each pixel showing up in the Spectra panel. Remember to perform response corrections every time you scan. To save your data, right-click on the data cube in the data cube's tree and select Save Cube As.